Hello and welcome back to 50 Shades of Young. At Habanero, we help you cook like a chef. We've taken the show on the road to meet some of the finest chefs in the city to see how they use Habanero products. Today, I'm at Infinity, India's first premier tea room chain. I'm here with Chef Gaurav to see what he's cooking.
Hi, good evening.
So what is it that you're going to be cooking?
We've got some lovely pasta and we've got a spicy pasta sauce. So we will do my take on it and make something which is very easy to do and anybody can replicate it.
Fantastic. Let's get cooking.